guys, and welcome along to Highflyer School for Sales Mastery. The mission for this channel is to provide tips and advice 2 to 3 times weekly, regularly updated, but in the empathy-based selling style. No more of the ABC always be closing, because if you're in sales, you've known for a while now, that doesn't work anymore. Those high-pressure days of selling, they're gone. People now want consultative selling, where they're involved, they're asked questions, their answers are listened to, and it arrives at a logical conclusion, usually with them placing an order with you. That's what this channel is all about. My name is SB Bryant. I've been training salespeople for the last 25 plus years. In fact, I've gone from snotty-nosed, door canvassing teenager to managing salespeople that have sold over £100 million of products in the UK. My main mission now is to transfer that knowledge to you, completely free of charge. We'll be putting links up for ebooks and for PDF downloads as well. But subscribe to the channel and you'll receive the first notifications. You can be the first people to watch the latest updated videos we post. And I can't wait to get started with you on that journey.